Hey, welcome back. In today's video we gonna learn how to measure the water pressure at your house, and there will be a bonus tip at the very end, so please keep watching till the end. This is Marco from Handyman Solutions. Let's jump right into it. So this will be a little bit the shorter video today. First I'm gonna show you what tools are needed. So basically what we need water pressure gauge which measures in PSI, as well as a rag, and then we go to outside a faucet. And before we get started, we have to make sure we turn off all our appliances and that all the taps inside the house or around the house are closed, to make sure we can measure it accurately. Okay, we want to make sure that we choose an outside tap which is close to the supply line. Also, we want to make sure before we start measuring the water pressure, we want to make sure that the valve at the supply line, this one here, all right, we want to make sure this one here is fully open and not partially closed. So, and it is a very simple task. We basically first make sure we have a gasket in here, and then we screw that onto the outside tab. So usually there shouldn't be any tools needed to accomplish that, and we just do hand tighten that. Here we go, that should be enough. And then we have a needle here, we can zero that, and then we open the tab. Here we go, and here we got the water pressure. It's a little bit above 60, so I would say 65 psi, and usually the range for residential homes are between 40 and 80 psi. And why is this important? So we need the water pressure for or certain appliances need a minimum water pressure to operate correctly. For example, the wash machine, or if you have garden sprinklers, they need also a certain water pressure to operate. So this is the bonus tip. We also can check the water flow, and for the water flow, to measure the water flow, we need a 5-gallon bucket. Any bucket will work, but we do a 5-gallon bucket. We'll need a timer, and then we do a little bit of math, and then we will find out the water flow for your property. So we do the setup, we put the bucket underneath here, and basically what we try to do is we want to open the tap and fill it all the way up to the top, and we measure the time, how long it takes. Okay, so I will put that here so we can, well, yeah, just put it here. All right. Whoa, wet socks. Well, at least we figure it out. We got 32 seconds. All right, so we're gonna go and do some math now. So we got here the water pressure. We got 65 psi. Okay, and to do the calculation, we just take 32. That's in second. Okay. So I then use the calculator, and we divide 5 gallons by 32 seconds, then times 60. So we come up with 9.35. That's 9.375. Okay, and that's its gallon per minute. This is basically important for us. First, so the average is between 6 and 12 gallons per minute for a residential home, and we are somewhere quite in the middle of that range. And you ask yourself, yeah, why is this important? So this is basically also important if you have a outdoor sprinkler system, but also if you, for example, if you would like to run, let's say, the dishwasher, wash machine, having a shower and flushing all the toilets at the same time. So it could lead to a problem because you don't have enough water flow to operate all those equipment. You probably ask yourself how you then can adjust your water pressure to the house. That's basically every house, or let's say it like that, most of the houses, if not every house, has a water pressure regulator somewhere after your meter, and usually there is adjustment, so you can make adjustments on there, and I will cover that in another video, since here is no adjustment needed, so we're gonna cover that in another video. So I hope it was beneficial for you. Appreciate for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.